Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this tutorial, let's talk about quick fixing of the screen brightness issues without restarting the device. First of all, go to Device Manager. Then expand your display adapters from there. Then right click on the Intel USD graphics and choose Disable Device. While doing this, the resolution may change and thus the screen may flash or flicker, but we don't have to worry about that. Just disable the device. After doing that, again right click on the Intel USD graphics and then choose enable device back. And that's it. Your brightness will be working right away. Thank you for watching the video.